Hello, am I on? Hi. Okay, what we're gonna do today is boop. I've got my project I'm working on, Fainted Funeral. I didn't have a cross. I couldn't find one at 3D Warehouse that I liked. So let's take a little closer look at here. This is in quick mode. It isn't in high resolution yet, so it really looks nice on. But you can see it's kind of unique cross. Yeah, I like that. And how I made that is we're going to get rid of this. Exit. We made that here in Blender. I'll show you how I made it. It was pretty easy. Pretty easy. Every time I come in here, somebody left junk in here. Delete this crap. Alright. So we're going to add a cube and try to make some like 4x4s or whatever you want to call them. Alright. Well, I'm kind of thick. And then we're going to make another one with a cross thing. Whoa. It was way too high. Now we're going to move him down. Well, we're going to move him up. Before we move him, we got to... He is messed up. Uh, 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 uh. He's too wide. Take him down here. I think we want him. Oh. Oh yeah, he's got to be wider this way. About the same as the other one. Pretty close. And we're going to move him right between there. And oh, he's too high. We're going to move him down. About there. And move him over about center. That's pretty good. Move him down a little bit more. We get a nice... There. Want this one higher than this one. Okie doke. So, highlight them all, and we are going to join them together. Join. Now it's all one cross now. Alright. That's a little high. We'll see how it works out. Now we're going to go over here to Tools, add a modifier, bevel. Once you bevel it, it's already at like 1. And I do believe I went depth and then brought this up. No, that's how I did it. You get them like almost like octagon shaped thing. Isn't that cool? Cool looking cross. That's how I made them, and then maybe not quite that much on the one that's in the church, but and then I was gonna paint it nice like in the church. I'm gonna upload it to 3D Warehouse, but SketchUp only OBJ imports. Well, it takes all the color off and puts them in separate folders. They don't take FBX, and I can't export this. I can't export this in SketchUp. I don't even think I can do an OBJ. I can, but I don't want. It keeps the colors and the materials separate. I want to go FBX and then send it to SketchUp. But it won't let you do it, so it's never going to go there. So anyways, I made a personal cross for myself and just thought, it's pretty cool how to make a cross if you can't find one. Okie doke. Bye.